Sarvebhyaha Namo Namaha. Namaste to all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Vidyachetana Samskrutham. Today we are learning the exercises Abhyasaha of the second chapter Samyuktavarnaha. The first main is Shuddham Vikalpam Chitva Riktasthanani Purayata. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. The first question says वर्णों को जोड़कर शब्द बनाने की प्रक्रिया डैश कहलाती है. Joining letters together to find a new word is called in Sanskrit. Varna Vichhed is the first option. Varna Viyog is the second option. Varna Samyojan is the third option. Third option is the right option because Varna Samyojanam is joining of letters together to find a word. The second question, दो व्यंजन मिलकर डैश व्यंजन बनाते हैं. By adding two व्यंजन letters together to find a new व्यंजन letter, that is called the first option shabd, second option varna, and the third option samyukta. So samyukta vyanjan it is adding two vyanjana letters together to find a new vyanjana letter. So the right option is third option. Third question, शब्द का प्रकार जानने के लिए शब्द का डैश वर्ण जानना आवश्यक है. शब्द प्रकार is the concept which we have discussed in the explanation of the chapter, that is finding out the last letter of a word. So here it is asked which letter of the word it is necessary to know to find out or to know the shabd prakar of the word. That is pahla, antim, dusra. So it is the last letter. So antim is the correct option. Fourth question, prakar, pratigna, vipra, prasanna. इन सभी शब्दों में संयुक्त व्यंजन डैश है. In these given four words, so what is the common samyukta vyanjana is used? So that is pra, halant is the letter which is used in all four words. Pra, prakar, pratigna, vipra, prasanna. So pra is repeated in all these four words. So therefore the first option is the right option. Second mean samyukta vyanjana yuktan dasha shabdan likhata. So it is asked to write 10 words with conjunct consonants. So now make a list of 10 words with the samyukta vyanjana letters. The first word we are writing here it is vidya. And the second word pustakam. Pustakam is book. The next word, so our subject, it is Sanskritam, which has Samyukta Vyanjana letter. And the fourth word, Vrikshaha, which is a tree. It has Samyukta Vyanjana letter. And the fifth word, Jnanam, which is a knowledge. And the next word, Putraha, son. And the next word is Udyanam, which is garden. And the next word is Shramaha. And the ninth word is Shikshakaha. And the last word is Vidyalayaha, which is a school. So these are the 10 words which has samyukta letters in it. So we made a 10 words list here. So now come to the third main, Nimna Likhitanam Varna Samyojanam Kuruta. So here we are joining letters together to find a new word. Ka halant plus a is ka. Pa halant plus ihi is pihi. So the final word is kapihi, which is monkey. And the second word, dh halant plus a is a dh, n halant plus a is a na, and m halant. So the final word is dhanam, which is money. And the third word, m halant plus a is ma, and t halant plus a is ta. Mata is the final word. Now come to the fourth one. Sh halant, r halant plus a is shra. So this is Samyukta Vyanjana letter. And m halant plus aha, maha. So shramaha is the word. Next, the last one. V halant plus e is v. D halant, y halant plus a is a dya. So the final word here it is vidya, which is knowledge. So these are the 5 words we found here in the third mean. Now come to the fourth mean. Chitranam namani patitva tesham varnavichedam kuruta. So here it is asked to read the names of the pictures and disjoin the letters. So first let us start reading the words. The first word is Kamalam. So let's try to disjoin this word Kamalam. So Kamalam has Kahalan plus a, Mahalan plus a, plus Lahalan plus a, plus Mahalant. Kamalam. So this is how we are disjoining the word. The next word is Naraha. Naraha. The first letter here it is Nahalant plus a plus Rhalant plus aha. So this is a very simple way of disjoining. And now come to the third word. Analaha. A plus Nahalant plus a, Lhalant plus aha. Analaha. So this is the third word disjoining. And the next word is Lalana. Lalana is a lady. So Lhalant plus a plus Lhalant plus a. L is repeated twice. That's why we are writing it 2 times. And Nhalant plus a. Lalana, lady. And the next word is Suryaha. So how we are pronouncing the word is very important to know the disjoining of the word. Suryaha. When we are pronouncing this word, sa is coming first, next o, and the next letter we are pronouncing is Rhalant. And next Yahalant plus aha. Suryaha is the 5th word. Now come to the last word of the fourth mean, Pustakam. Halant plus u, pu. Halant plus halant plus a, sta. And halant plus a, ka. And halant. So this is how we are disjoining Pustakam word. Okay. Now come to the 5th main of the chapter, that is Udaharananusaram Chitranam Adha Tesham Shabda Prakaram Likhata. You all know the meaning of Shabda Prakar, that is finding out the last letter, last swara or last letter of the word. So here it is asked, write the types of a word under the following pictures according to the example. One example is given here. Mahila. When we disjoin this word, then the last letter we are going to find it is A letter. Therefore, the Shabda Prakar of Mahila is set Akaranta Shabda. So the same way, come to the next word, Mayuraha. So Mayuraha, when we disjoin this word, so the last letter of the word is Aha. So where the last letter except Visarga symbol, the last letter of the word here it is a letter. Therefore it is called Akaranta Shabdah. Okay. Next, Rajan. So here it is ending with Vyanjana letter. That is consonant. Therefore it is Nakaranta Shabdah. Okay. And the word next it is Rushihi. So in this Rushihi, the ending swara is Ihi. As we know, we are not considering the Visarga while knowing the Shabda Prakar. Correct? So Ihi. So we are taking only the last swara here. Ikaranta Shabda it is. Okay, and the next word Balika. So A is the last swara here. So therefore it is Akaranta. Akaranta Shabdaha. And the last word Ashvaha, which is ending with Aha. So therefore it is Akaranta. Akaranta Shabdaha. So here we completed with the exercise of the chapter Samyuktavarna. Thank you to all of you. Dhanyavadaha.